All right, so it's been a while since I've done a nature video. The last time I technically did a nature hike video was during the historical Texas freeze. So I'm gonna do one here at the end of spring just so you could see how the top of the hill looks before the full Texas heat comes and just kills everything. Because that's what happens here in West Texas. Yeah, so we missed the bluebonnets because I didn't do a video then. I think there's a few hanging out. I think these are called fire wheels, the red ones there, and then sunflowers. Yeah, since some of y'all might not be from Texas, let's see if I could get, I need to be careful because I know there's rattlesnakes. I saw one a while back. There's a surviving bluebonnet. Okay, now it's officially Texas related with a bluebonnet. But it's been a while since I've done a nature hike video. Go look at my meditation area because I try to do that every day. Sometimes I just run out of time. Oh, there's some more surviving bluebonnets. Okay, that's enough bluebonnet shots. But here's my meditation area. I don't have the incense burning yet because I'm drying the cup out. It doesn't look like the ants are attacking my blanket yet. But yeah, it's nice and quiet up here. There's a highway over yonder, but if I come up here early enough, it's quiet. And yes, I am doing this shirtless for the fact that I am so sick of this farmer's tan, and I'm taking advantage of this very high UV heat up here. I think it's gonna go up to 92, which for some people sounds like a lot, but in West Texas, it's like, it'll be 110 eventually. I had a pretty good path trimmed here, but it's grown up since the rains, and it's gonna rain again, supposedly. Trying not to keep my phone out too long either because it is metal. Good thing about metal phones, durable. Bad thing about metal phones, do not get it in sunlight. It will heat up like no other. There's a little bit of the rubble from the vandalism, and then some of the limbs I trimmed. The vandalism thing was a whole different video, but I did not upload that because this is not a ranting channel, this is a peaceful channel. But yeah, I did explore all the way back there. But I'm not going to do that in this video because I'm just showing you my main round that I do. Because I would do a round, meditate, and then do another round, and then head on in. And not really to go on a rant about the vandalism, but there used to be 4 chairs here, and that's a swing. This is here for the people I caught up here a couple months ago. You could pause it and read it. And you know, for the watching you, I found this on the ground, and I'm like, they're not gonna, you know, stare at it hard enough to see if the wires are connected, but that was that. If they see a camera, they're most likely gonna run, not put their face up to it. But I mean, there used to be a show called Stupid Criminals. I was hoping to see some deer today, but it's past their normal time. I usually run into them at 10 and it's past noon. Some more flower area. Probably upload this tomorrow because it's, even with 5G internet, it takes a solid hour for a 10-minute video. There's some birds. Some birds. That's my normal round. I'll take you to one other spot that I like to look out on. Because occasionally I'll see deer out there. Last time it was this hot, they were all huddled under the tree looking at me like, please don't make us run. It's hot. And it was the same thing. It was shortly after rain, which is not common in this area, so it was extra humid. But I grew up in well, I'll just say near the Gulf, because I was a little bit north of Galveston, so 80 degrees felt like 100, so a non-humid 90 is fine. But like I said, it's humid, so you could feel it today. This is one of the spots where the deer like coming in. Let me see if I could sneak up on one, but I doubt it. Oop, almost tripped. Okay. No, I don't see any on the neighboring land. Yeah, last time they were under that little tree there, but yeah, looks like they're probably further up there for sure. There we go. Yeah, sadly that land is owned by a company, so eventually it's going to be rubble, because I think it's a rock mining company. That land is owned by someone, hunters, because I heard gunshots the other day, so that'll stay for a little longer. But that will be it for this nature hike today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. My other videos, the meditation and talk videos, are going to start back up as normal, being that you're going to see this uploaded out of nowhere after months of silence. But I'll explain that in the next video. But thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. I will see you guys on the future video.